Welcome back. In the previous videos, you learned how to use zero product property to solve the equation. Then you learned how to factor out the greatest common monomial factor. This one, we're going to put these two skills together, solve this equation, x squared plus 6x is 0. So step 1, we're going to factor out the greatest monomial factor, and that is x. So in the parentheses, we have x plus 6. Don't forget equals 0. Now we're going to use zero product property. X is 0 or x plus 6 is 0. X is 0, done. X plus 6 is 0. X is negative 6. Let's put our solution in the long bubble and do not forget our word or. Okay, that is the first question. Let's look at our second question. It's very similar to the first one you just solved. We're going to factor out the greatest common monomial factor. So think about it. 18 is 3 times 6. N times W, N times W. That's 18W squared. The next one is 6 times W. Let's see what we have. Just like we're playing poker cards, right? We want to look for, do we have the same cards? Now we're looking for, do we have the common monomial? I have 6. Do you have 6? Yes. I have W. Do you have W? Yes. So 6W is our greatest common monomial factor. Now, for the first one, I give out 6W. What do we have left? I have 3W. I give out 6W. What do we have? Think about a division. Remember, it's not subtraction. It's division. So what is 6W divided by 6W? That is 1. And don't forget, we're working on equation, so we have equals 0. Now we can use zero product property. Situation 1, 6W is 0, which makes W is 0. Situation 2, 3W plus 1 is 0, which makes W is negative 1 over 3, negative 1/3. Now, we're going to put our solution in a long bubble right here. That's our solution. Do not forget these two beautiful solutions connected by using the word